This is Mrs. Dawson. Describe and graph reflections. Describe the reflection in y equals the opposite of the absolute value of x plus 1. Then graph the function. We're investigating y equals the opposite, or negative 1, times the absolute value of x plus 1. The sign in front is going to take the absolute value of x plus 1 and reflect it over the x-axis. So that negative, which is not in this one, reflects the graph over the x-axis. In other words, it's taking all of the y values, so any y value in this one will then become a negative y value in this given function. So let's take a look. This is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x plus 1. Notice it has a shift of left 1. That's what this is all about. However, if we want to graph y equals the opposite of the absolute value of x plus 1, it takes every point and reflects it across the x-axis. So this point stays the same since it's on the x-axis. This one is reflected, this one reflected. This one, notice that the distances remain the same from the x-axis, and the same thing's true over here. And what we can do is grab a line and connect the points and you'll see, once we put arrows on the end, that the absolute value of x plus 1 is reflected over the x-axis, and now we have y equals the opposite, or negative 1, times the absolute value of x plus 1.